everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Gqeberha the Empire from the 28th to the 24th of February 2023 on Monday. Ntando threatened to throw his own mother under the bus if she doesn't do something he wants her to do. Bulelwa and Nobomi are convinced that there is a witch in their midst on Tuesday. Ntando's determination forces Zimkhitha to cooperate. Luzuko offers Anathi her dream on a platter. Nobomi and Bulelwa play detective on Wednesday. Zimkhitha goes far and beyond to help get Msimelelo. Bulelwa catches someone red-handed. Just when Anathi was softening up to Luzuko, her sinful act hand her on Thursday. Bulelwa beats the truth out of Nozuko and makes her promise to be a good girl from now on. Luzuko's love is finally requited on Friday. Msimelelo realizes that his backside is out in the wind. Anathi'S bubble is burst. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.